DPSK, yes. Please, Puranjay, Dipali, Raghav, Guransh. नाचण्यासाठी रोलवे कधी ते हस बोलवे नाचण्यासाठी रोलवे ते आजाद ने जानिया बेकार मेहरबानिया ते आजाद ने जानिया बेकार मेहरबानिया ना दुखा विच रोलवे नाचण्यासाठी रोलवे कधी ते हस बोलवे नाचण्यासाठी रोलवे नाचण्यासाठी रोलवे नाचण्यासाठी रोलवे Ladies and gentlemen, we have another performer with us, Shabadpreet Kaur from class +1. इन बच्चों को आपकी हौसला अफजाई की बहुत ज़रूरत है, सो प्लीज़ तालियां बजाते रहिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। हेलो हेलो
हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से जी
और इसने आगे सर मैंने स्टेज पे गाना है, तो एक बार हमने प्रैक्टिस में सुना इसको कि बहुत अच्छा गा रही है बेटा, तो ज़रूर स्टेज पे आना। और क्योंकि यही छोटी छोटी ख्वाहिशें हैं जो आज हम यहाँ पे दिखाने जा रहे हैं आप सबको। नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस राघव। राघव प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। सुना होगा जैसे उसके पीछे बीट बजती है, तो ये चाहता है कि ये वो पैटर्न आपको बजा के दिखाएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोगों ने बहुत साथ दिया, और जितने इन बच्चों ने मेहनत की है, ये पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से कंटिन्यूस लगे हुए हैं और अपनी जी तोड़ मेहनत कर रहे हैं और दिखा रहे हैं कि हमारी ख्वाहिशें क्या हैं और कैसे वो पूरी होंगी, और कैसे कैसे हर बच्चे ने अपनी अपनी ख्वाहिश जो है वो स्टेज पर आज आपको दिखानी है। सो एक छोटी सी वीडियो हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं, जिससे आपको पता लगेगा कि बच्चों ने कितनी मेहनत की है, और उसके साथ उनके जो टीचर्स थे, उनके जो सीन इंचार्जेस थे, उनके साथ जो कॉस्ट्यूम्स इंचार्ज थे, जो प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर्स थे, प्लस डांस टीचर्स जो जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है इन सब चीज़ों के लिए, आज के मेन फंक्शन के लिए। और अगर मैं किसी का नाम लेना भूल गया हूँ तो वो मैं बाद में ज़रूर दोबारा लूँगा। प्लीज़ आप वीडियो का मज़ा लीजिए।
भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
कभी चुपचाप आंसू बनकर सह जाते हैं, पंख नहीं फिर भी उड़ते हैं लोग। ख्वाहिशें हो संग तो क्या पर्वत क्या रोग। हर ख्वाहिश पूरी हो ये ज़रूरी नहीं, मगर जीने की वजह देती हैं यही। तो रखो इन्हें अपने दिल के पास, ख्वाहिशों के ही संग तो ज़िंदगी में प्रकाश।
With these words, I express my heartfelt welcome to all present here to the annual show of DPS Amritsar Khwahishein. A very befitting evening to one and all present here. On behalf of DPS Amritsar, we welcome you all wholeheartedly in the portals of DPS Amritsar. A warm evening to every single soul present here today. The courtyard of DPS Amritsar feels blessed to have a galaxy of dignitaries from diverse fields. We have amongst us the chief guest of this evening, Dr. Amit Kautz, Professor and Head of Department of Education, GNDU, Dr. Deepa Sikand Kautz, Professor and Dean of Education, GNDU. Special guests, Professor Varika Datta, Mrs. and Mr. J.S. Virk, Mr. Bhupesh Arora, Mr. and Mrs. Rajinder Singh, and Amandeep Kaur Chahal, along with Dr. Gurvinder Chahal. Guest principals include Vinodita Sankhya. Members Management Committee of DPS Amritsar, Mr. Ved Khurana, Mr. Akash Khandelwal, Mr. and Mrs. Ajay Maheshwari, Mr. Sanjay Maheshwari, and Mrs. Reenu Jani. As the curtain rises on the annual day celebration, it unveils the spirit of camaraderie, achievement, and vibrant energy that envelops the occasion. Amidst this bustling synergy and brimming zeal and celebration, let's delve into the evening and witness conviviality.
Aspiration is the starting point of all achievements. Not a hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. So hold fast to desires, for if the desires die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Khwahishein are the catalysts which lubricate and elevate life. The soiree Khwahishein unfolds around the theme.
But before we move into the real essence of the show, let's have an auspicious beginning for the event. Bhagavad Gita's verse 11 of chapter 10 beautifully says, "Out of compassion for them, I, who dwell within their hearts, destroy the darkness born of ignorance with the luminous lamp of knowledge." Light tells us about beginnings, endings, being strong and understanding the world. It's like a wise friend reminding us of important things in its own silent way. So let's delve into this journey of self-discovery and reconnect with our authentic selves by lighting the lamp of love, faith, and knowledge. And by invoking the blessings of Almighty, I invite our deemed chief guest, guest of honor, and I also request Principal Sir and other eminent guests to accompany him.
Oh
and extend a formal welcome to all eminent guests and also read the school report.
Namaskar and Sat Sri Akal to all. I extend a hearty welcome to all the dignitaries and proud parents here. It's a special occasion today at DPS Amritsar. Good to see you all and wholeheartedly thank you for sparing your time and being here with us. I extend a hearty welcome to all the dignitaries who are present here. First of all, we have our chief guest, Dr. Amit Kotz, Professor and Head Department of Education, GNDU. Professor Dr. Deepa Sikand Kotz, Dean Faculty of Education, Professor Department of Education, GNDU. Welcome sir, welcome ma'am. Our guest of honor, Professor Mahima Gupta, Dean Academics, IIM Amritsar. Thank you ma'am. And we are proud to have you as our parent also. Now we have the management members before us here joining this evening. Shri Ved Khurana ji, who has come all the way from Delhi, just at a request. So thank you sir for being here. The Pro Vice Chairman of DPS Amritsar. Then Mr. Akash Khandelwal ji, member and a guiding mentor always, who is there with me. So thank you sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion. I extend a hearty welcome to Ajay Maheshwari sir, Ritika ma'am, Sanjay Maheshwari sir, Seema ma'am, and of course to Manu, great to have you back here, a proud alumni of DPS Amritsar. We have with us Advocate G.S. Virk. Thank you sir for being here. We have Dr. Vinota Sankyan, one of my close friend and mentor. Thank you ma'am. And thank you for accepting the invite. We'll be joining with some more people, maybe in short span of time. And the proud parents. More than 730 students are participating in this mega event. And I congratulate all the proud parents, those who are here to encourage the efforts of their children. So please clap for yourself and for your children. Thank you for making it here. Ladies and gentlemen, to read before you the annual report of DPS Amritsar, because a lot of activities we do throughout the year which sometimes go unnoticed. There are success stories to be shared with you. I would like to just brief up some of the major events, major happenings, which will give you an insight into the life of DPS Amritsar. So to begin with the CBSE board results, DPS Amritsar results unfolded like a meticulously crafted masterpiece showcasing both consistency and brilliance. Class 12th, 145 students appeared in the examination and 100% result, and top scores were 97.4 and the school average was 84.2%. So I think you can clap for these achievers. So here you can see the pictures of our proud achievers. Then class 10 board results, 124 students appeared in the examination. Again 100% result, and top score was 98.4%. And the school average was 76%. Moving next, the placements. The children, those who passed out from DPS Amritsar in the previous batch, they have been placed very well in various professional colleges and universities in country and outside the country. DPS students, like seeds sown in fertile soil, have blossomed in esteemed institutions, embracing a wide array of academic paths. With unwavering determination, they have charted their course, now flourishing in their chosen professions, rooted in success and flourishing in the fullness of their potential. Talking about the next development, dear friends, I would like to share with you exchange programs. DPS Amritsar initiated and fosters cross-cultural experiences and collaborative learning among the students from different DPS branches. Launched by DPS Amritsar, the program began its cultural exchange journey with DPS Bangalore North, one of our prestigious schools in South, providing students with valuable insights into diverse cultures and traditions. The first edition was focused exclusively on cultural exchange, while the second edition introduced a research-based approach with senior students aligning with six key sustainable developmental goals: no poverty, zero hunger, clean water and sanitization, climate action, gender equality, and health and well-being. In October, a delegation of 20 students headed by Mr. Harjinder Pal Singh and Ms. Amita Rajput from DPS Amritsar visited DPS Bangalore North for an immersive learning experience. Continuing the same, the DPS Bangalore North team, consisting of 20 students and 3 teachers, for a week-long visit are going to be here the very next week. Building on its success, the program has expanded this year to include DPS Mahendra Hills, Hyderabad. And with their team of 18 students and 2 teachers accompanied by the principal, visited DPS Amritsar to further strengthen this collaborative educational venture. And looking ahead, the plan is to initiate the exchange program with other DPS schools also. Next, inter-DPS events. It gives me pride to talk about this, that Inter-DPS Punjabi Language Festival on August 24, DPS Amritsar initiated the first ever Inter-DPS Punjabi Language Festival in the honor of the 105th birth anniversary of Punjabi laureate Amrita Pritam, to promote regional languages in tune with the guidelines of NEP 2020. And the festival witnessed the enthusiastic participation of students from 9 DPS schools across Punjab. You can see the pictures here. It was graced by eminent dignitaries. Thank you. It was graced by eminent dignitaries from the DPS society, including our chairperson, Madam Namita Pradhan. Inter-DPS basketball tournament. DPS Amritsar had the privilege of hosting Zone 1 Inter-DPS basketball tournament boys, and the tournament witnessed enthusiastic participation from various DPS teams of Zone 1. I feel proud to announce that our team won this tournament and qualified for the Inter-DPS national level tournament, and the team is going to Banaras to play this national finals. Inter-DPS football. Our team also participated in the Inter-DPS Football Open for the boys and qualified for nationals. Inter-school events organized by DPS Amritsar, the Commerce Fest. DPS Amritsar hosted Commerce Festival Vyapar Jankar 24, which has become a signature event of DPS Amritsar for the past 11 years. And it saw vibrant participation from almost all the schools in the city, and this time 15 plus schools participated across the district, and this event commenced on in the month of August. The Laburnum Fiesta. The English department of DPS Amritsar proudly hosted the Laburnum Fiesta English Literature and Language Festival on July 27. And the theme of the competition was Climate Action, Sustainable Development Goal 13. The event witnessed enthusiastic participations from 14 prominent schools of the district. And the event also featured an inspiring exhibition highlighting student projects aligned with the theme and a vibrant book cafe. The event was a resounding success. Mass Festival, Ganit Samavesh, again one of the signature events of the school. Science Festival, Vigyan Mahotsav, again number of schools participated in this event also. T10 Cricket Tournament. T10 Cricket Tournament organized by DPS Amritsar witnessed healthy participation of 11 schools of the district. and DPS Amritsar won this tournament. Participation in the inter-school events. The students participated in various competitions organized by the reputed schools of Sahodaya Schools, Complex Amritsar, and have brought laurels to the school by winning various trophies and honors for the school. Moving next, ladies and gentlemen, awards and accolades for the school. Education World Rankings. DPS Amritsar has achieved an impressive milestone by securing the 2nd rank in the city and 7th rank in the state Punjab, according to the prestigious Education World Ranking for the session 24-25. The remarkable achievement reflects the school's commitment to academic excellence, holistic development, and creating an environment that fosters learning and growth. The award was conferred to the school in the grand function held at Leela Ambience, Gurgaon on 18th of October 24. The next achievement, the award is FAP National Award 24. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me proud to announce this. Delhi Public School Amritsar basked in the glow of excellence at the prestigious FAP Awards held at Chandigarh. The school bagged 4 awards. Best School Award for the school's unwavering commitment to social work and service to the community. Best Principals Award. Mr. Sudhanshu was awarded with the Best Teacher Award for his innovative teaching methods. Jitanshi Jain, our proud topper of class 10, clinched the Pride of India Award for her outstanding scholastic achievements. So big round of applause for all these achievers. Now moving further, again the awards and accolades for the teachers and students. Mr. Kuldeep Singh, an exceptional art teacher at DPS Amritsar, has garnered widespread recognition for his outstanding contribution to art. His dedication to creativity has earned him the prestigious Punjab State Award from the KT Kala Museum, Amritsar. He has also received Kala Ratna Award from Atrang Kala and Education Welfare Society, Tonk, Rajasthan, and along with recognition from Lalit Kala Academy, Jaipur. So big round of applause for one of the gems in my team, Mr. Kuldeep Singh. Moving next, Miss Radha Vyas, our physical education teacher, bagged first position at district level at Punjab Khed Mela 24 in badminton. She was a champion there. Miss Priya Vig was honored with the Sahodaya's Best Teacher Award 24, a testament to her unwavering dedication and passion to her services. Now talking about the achievements in sports. Ishman Jot Kaur, ladies and gentlemen, clap should not stop for this skating champion. She is the skating champion who won the nationals, CBSA. Arnav Chandel, state medalist in basketball. Kushroz Kaur, national softball player. Vardhan, Punjab silver medalist in football. Moving next is NCC. With an aim to encourage students to join lucrative Indian Defence Forces, DPS Amritsar introduced NCC in the campus. Mr. Sarabjot Dhigra, our Associate NCC officer, has received rigorous 45 days training from Officers Training Academy, Kamti, for guiding the NCC aspirants at school, and he is designated as the trained ANO and proudly carries the stars on the uniform. It is pertinent to mention that the school has initiated the formal process of taking up senior division of Army Wing with NCC as an opportunity for the senior students aspiring for armed forces career. Investiture ceremony. DPS Amritsar proudly hosted its investiture ceremony, marking the induction of its new student council members. Then CBSE events. DPS Amritsar has been associated proudly with CBSE and has conducted various national, state, district level assignments and events. A few mentions are launch of Bal Vatika and Jadui Pitara program at DPS Amritsar, शिक्षा सप्ताह सेलिब्रेशंस एट DPS अमृतसर, एक पौधा माँ के नाम, इंडिजिनस गेम्स, capacity building program on political science for senior secondary school teachers, CBSE exam center for last 4 years, and NEET exam center last year. Moving next is experiential learning at its best. So we provide the exposure visits to our students, exposure visit to Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, visit to Domino's for skill training, visit to Verka Milk Plant, War Memorial, Govindgarh Fort. Alumni meet, a connect with the alma mater. DPS Amritsar organized its maiden alumni meet on 20th January, and the next alumni meet is being planned on 25th January 25, and we expect most of our pass out students to be a part of this event. Now here are few nursery wing activities which are sunshine activities which are going on in a routine manner as per the curriculum designed for them. Moving next is Navkiran. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to share that we have an inclusive unit in the school, and we started for our special children a unit in 2018 with 2 students only. And after COVID, 51 students were registered in the inclusion program, and 15 students got merged with the main school, and currently there are 36 students in Navkiran. You can clap for this initiative, and my dear friends, you will be witnessing these students performing on stage with the normal students, the other students of the school. Talking about the infrastructure development, we are coming up with music studio in the school in the next coming session, a badminton hall which you can see it's in making, a rooftop, and art room also. So ladies and gentlemen, that is not the end of the journey leading to set new milestones of success. We strive to create many success stories, adding laurels to our proud institution. Under the able guidance of DPS Society New Delhi, our chairperson, Ma'am Namita Pradhan, our visionary and progressive management, Kurana sir, Akash sir and Ajay sir, and the support and cooperation of our proud parents, we are committed to march ahead, setting new benchmarks of success. I wholeheartedly thank all the stakeholders for this beautiful hand holding. Keep supporting us. I welcome you all for this grand show. ख्वाहिशें। आज के कार्यक्रम का नाम हमने रखा है ख्वाहिशें उम्मीदें जिंदगी की। ख्वाहिशों के इर्द गिर्द ही तो गुजरती है जिंदगी, उम्र के हर पड़ाव में ख्वाहिशें साथ चलती हैं। कुछ पूरी होती हैं तो कुछ यूं ही अधूरी रह जाती हैं, और उम्मीदों की रोशनी कुछ खुशियां दे जाती हैं। हर पल ख्वाहिशें बुनता रहता है दिल, और अनगिनत हसीन सपनों की दुनिया में हम खो जाते हैं। तो मेरे दोस्त, ख्वाहिशें हमेशा करते रहें। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Reverend Principal Sir to extend a green welcome to all our guests. Dr. Amit Kautz, Dr. Amit Kautz, Dr. Deepa Sikand Courts, Professor Varika Datta, Mrs. and Mr. J.S. Virk, Vinodita Sankhiyal, Mr. Ved Khurana, Mr. and Mrs. Ajay Maheshwari, Mr. and Mrs. Sanjay Maheshwari, Mr. Akash Khandelwal, Mrs. Amandeep Kaur Chahal, Additional and Session Judge, along with Mr. Gurvinder Chahal. Miss Reena Dhawan, Mr. and Mrs. Rajinder Singh from Dastak Theatre Group, of education. The aim of our school is not just to impart knowledge, but to foster the growth of responsible, well-rounded and lifelong learners who can contribute positively to the society. As a result, Delhi Public School Amritsar today is a trusted name and an acknowledged leader in the collective effort to shape the future of children and the nation. It is time that we dive deep into the tireless efforts of students. To begin with, we have a dance performance by Class 1. Please welcome these bundle houses of talents with a thundering round of applause.